Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to contact Bumble. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type bumble.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's try to look at how to contact Bumble. At the top left, here's your profile right here. Simply click on it. Then this will open up. Right here in the navbar, you'll see something like Contact and FAQs. Click on this button right here. Then this will open up. Right here in the section of useful links, you'll see something like Contact Us. Click on this button right here. Then a new page will open up. Simply scroll down and it's gonna give you some prompts. Pick the most suitable subject. Well, select whichever one you wish. Now simply what you need to do is enter your name, your email address, the mode you are using and the platform. Now that this section is completed, let's scroll down. Now it's asking how we can help. Just enter whatever issue that you are facing right here. Make sure that it is as detailed as possible. And do note that you can attach a screenshot as well, though it is optional. And once everything's okay, simply hit on send message. The button's right here. And guys, that's it. That's how we contact Bumble. Once everything's okay, you will receive a message in the email address that you had previously included. That's how you contact Bumble. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.